Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Wallace?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Delverine Wallace.
Delvin Wallace. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
This is ticket number 728048. One count open intoxicants passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Yeah, unmute yourself, Attorney Moore.
Good morning, Linda Perkins Moore, P36136, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wallace. Mr. Wallace, state your name.
Yes, my name is Delvin Wallace.
Your Honor, he is here today on arraignment on a bench warrant. He enters a plea of not guilty, asks that all warrants be set aside. He stands mute and waives a form of reading, continues his plea of not guilty in terms of the arraignment, wherein he would like to continue his plea of not guilty and ask for a bench trial.
All right. Is that at this time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf? Mr. Wallace, will you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, it's my understanding that you talked to Attorney Perkins Moore in private about your case and about your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's your option right now that you want to take advantage of and have a bench trial. That means that's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. I would listen to the evidence and based on the law, make a decision. That's how you want to move forward, sir?
I didn't understand you at the time. What you say again, Your Honor?
I said, so it sounds like you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself. I would listen to all of the evidence. That's the testimony presented. And based on the law, make a decision. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Want to set this for a bench trial on the date of December 16th, sir. December 16th. It is via Zoom. So what I need you to try and figure out how to connect so I can see you. I like to see people on the day of bench trials. Okay?
Okay. I downloaded Zoom, but I had a hard time getting in there.
Okay, so just keep working on it so that by the time it gets here in December, you'll be able to log on appropriately, okay?
Okay, you said December 16th?
December 16th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. You can get back to work now.
All right. I appreciate you. You have a blessed morning.
You too, sir, okay?
All righty.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we gotta wait on offers for the other folks, so just hold tight, Attorney Perkins Moore. Oh, where?
Andrea's iPhone? Is that Ms. Watkins? Okay.
Attorney Perkins,
Yes,
I guess that was, the other offer.
okay. I'm downloading them now.
Okay. They're in room 3 and 6. Andrea Watkins is in room 3, Ronald Ware is in room 6.
Washington and where? And 6, 3 and 6. Okay, got it. Let me get these downloaded.
And do you have? Yeah. What did you do?
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
Mr. Ware says that that's not him. On the docket, it says Ronald DeMario Ware. He says that's not his name and this is not the offer. So I guess you need to check because he says that this is not him. And then Mr. Watkins is not responding in room number 3.
Can you tell Mr. Ware to come to the main session?
Yes, I will. Okay.
Hi, hi. I am so sorry. I had got cut out of the break room number 3. I'm Andrea Watkins.
Can you go back to the breakout room?
Yes, I had to rename myself, but yes, I can go back to the breakout room. Thank you.
You're welcome. What is this? What's that? Take you to school? And why?
Mr. Ware,
Yes, I'm here.
we can't have you on Zoom.
Parking right. I am parking right now. I'm parked.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Ware,
Yes.
what's your middle name, sir?
Terrell. Terrell.
Okay, so you were just in the courtroom, right?
Yes, I was.
Okay, and you spoke with the gentleman at the information window, right?
Yes, I did. And they gave me this phone number. I mean, Zoom number, sorry.
Okay, Mr. Ware. We don't have you on the docket.
Yes, that's what they said at the clerk's office, at the clerk's desk.
Now, you said you were just incarcerated?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
Okay, and when did you get out?
Labor Day, that Monday.
Okay, and it was for OWI?
No, ma'am, a whole nother incident.
Okay, so, because I'm assuming that charge is not in our system yet. So I'm gonna need you to call the courtroom, sir.
Call the courtroom?
Yes. You ready? Can you write
Okay.
the number down?
Give me 1 second.
This one.
Okay, what's that number?
313
Okay,
965
okay.
2293.
2293. Anyone I should ask to speak with in particular?
No, I'm gonna answer the phone. Just hang up from Zoom and give the courtroom a call.
Okay, I will.
Hello, Mr. Hamed.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hello, Mr. Hamed. Hi, who are you here for?
Wolford, Wolford, Reese. We were here a couple of weeks ago. They were trying to find the file, so you had rescheduled it for a hearing today, see if they found it. I have to apologize. I've been very ill and got ran late this morning.
Okay, no problem. The clerk will help you in a moment.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm ready on Ms. Watkins with a plea and just waiting for, I told Mr. Ware to come out of the breakout room. I told them both to come out the breakout room. How are you?
Mr. Ware already came out the breakout room. We dealt with him. It's a different person.
Okay, that's what I wanted to make sure. So we're done with that? Okay.
So I don't know who told you. No. Okay. What I'm saying is that connected with the other. All right.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Andrea Watkins. This is ticket number SP 13000044. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, defective or missing equipment. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, P 36136, appearing on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please.
Andrea Watkins.
Ms. Watkins is here today for hearing and show cause. If she has not been arraigned, we enter a plea of not guilty. She stands mute and waives a formal reading, wherein she would like to avail herself of the recommendation from the people wherein she would plead guilty responsible to ticket ending in 4-1 for count 3 with the dismissal of counts 1 and 2.
Is that right, ma'am? You want to take advantage of the offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. One second. All right, reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of January 13th of 2022, in the area of Schoolcraft and Patton Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Watkins was driving a Chevy vehicle and it did have defective or missing equipment. Satisfied, Attorney Perkins Moore?
Satisfied, Your Honor. And Ms. Watkins, for clarification, I did indicate that it was for the insurance, but you're pleading to the defective equipment, which is a cheaper offense.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, and also, Your Honor, I would like to indicate to the court before that Ms. Watkins indicated that she did have all of the documents, but she wasn't able to provide them at the time that she was stopped by the officer, but she indicated that she no longer has the vehicle. Is that correct, Ms. Watkins?
Yes, yes, Your Honor, and yes, it's correct.
Okay, all right. Ms. Watkins, I'm going to dismiss the other 2 counts that were called on the record today. The fine is $120. How long, you typically have 14 days to pay civil infractions? Is that what
I'll
you
go
said?
ahead. I'll go ahead and pay it in full. My license was suspended, Your Honor, and I can't afford for it to be suspended, so I'll go ahead and pay it in full.
Okay, all right, so I'll make it due no later than October 6th, 2022. If you owe any reinstatement fees, that may be why too. So when you look up your name and see if you owe anything extra, make sure you pay those. That's what will really stop you from being able to get your license, okay?
I do have one question, Your Honor. If my license was suspended due to this court date, like, for me to come here, do they waive that because I didn't miss my court date, or I still would have to pay the reinstatement fee?
The reinstatement fees don't come into play because you missed the court date. They're just part of like the ticket, and I don't know the rhyme or why they give. But we took off the late fees for this ticket, and the other 2 tickets will be dismissed, but you may
I
have.
appreciate it. The reinstatement fee, that's fine if I do.
You may have a reinstatement fee out there, probably for the insurance ticket.
Yeah, that's,
Vehicle, yeah, that's
yes,
probably
ma'am.
why. So.
Okay, I'll go ahead and take care of it.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Fox, you have a good day.
You too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right.
I can go ahead and log off now.
You can go ahead
Yep, you're
and
all
log-
set.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you. And then we do have Officer McCall in the courtroom now. Now she's here. Hold on. Now let me figure this out though. I think. What happened to the attorney? Did he say he was here for wings?
I don't remember who he said.
I don't know. Did he say he was or not?
I think so. He said he was here a couple of weeks ago, but I didn't see the name that he said on the docket, so I'm not sure who it was, Judge.
Oh, he good? Okay, so he's already been handled. Okay, so we have the, I'm gonna bring out Ms. Weed. This is a probation review. And Officer McCall is in the courtroom, so she's gonna actually,
Okay,
hear. She knows where it's named.
okay.
I'm gonna bring her out.
Okay, I'll let her. Okay, I'll let her. Okay, bye-bye.
Ms. Weed? Unmute yourself. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Serena Wings. This is Z ticket 8058311. This is 1 count of operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with The probation officer, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mybra McCall, on behalf of the Probation Department.
All right, Attorney Perkins Moore,
Linda Perkins Moore on behalf of defendant, Your Honor.
and ma'am, state your name for the record, please, Ms. Wings.
Serena Weems.
It's the date and time set for a review in this matter. How are we proceeding, officer?
Your Honor, Ms. Weems was placed on probation on July 23rd, 2021 for 1 year. She was ordered to pay $910 in assessed fines and costs, attend and complete the Victims Impact Panel, attend the Alcohol Anonymous once per week, shall not use or possess any illegal substance, attend outpatient treatment until discharge in writing, submit to drug urinalysis, view the consequence video, and complete the driver simulator class. Ms. Weems had a review hearing on July 22nd, 2022, and August 22nd, 2022. And at that time, Ms. Weems was late for her review hearing, and she was given another date of today. And at this time, Ms. Weems has completed her outpatient treatment program with CNS, and she's doing ongoing treatment under the supervision of Ms. Vaughn. She has viewed the consequence video. She has completed the Victims Impact Panel. She has provided verification of her AA meetings. She has a balance in assessed fines and costs totaling $460. In regards to her screens, she last tested on August 20th, and her screens were positive for marijuana and negative for other substances. And she indicated that she does have a medical marijuana card, and she will email that to the probation department. And right now, Ms. Weems is currently in the hospital, and she has been in the hospital in and out. And she was there August 3rd, 2022 to August 8th, 2022 for 5 days. And she's currently in the hospital as we speak right now on Zoom. And she's been in there since September 20th, 2022. And she indicated that she's having difficulty with her back, and she possibly may have surgery. And in regards to the driver simulator class, Your Honor, the probation department is recommending that that be deleted from the order due to the fact that that class is no longer offered. And that's where we are right now. She just has that balance of $460, Your Honor.
Okay. So what's your recommendation today?
The probation department is recommending that we adjourn this matter for 90 days for her to come back to see whether or not she has that $460 paid. Give her enough time to pay it.
Okay. Attorney Perkins Moore, any comments to make?
No, Your Honor, I would ask that the court adopt the recommendation of the probation officer to give Ms. Watkins additional time, to give Ms. Williams additional time to make the payment.
All right. Ms. Wing, question. Is that gonna be enough time for you to make those payments, or do you need more time?
That's enough time.
Okay, I just want to make sure, because I see you're in the hospital. I'm sorry you're back in and out of the hospital. But I also want to give you enough time to be able to pay that balance. It sounds like you're doing a really good job of taking care of all your other business. The court will delete that item that is no longer offered as a part of your probation, so you don't have to do that because we don't offer it anymore. But I need you to pay down this balance. You're making good efforts at it, so I just want to make sure I give you enough time to be able to do that, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I will adjourn it so that you can pay it. Pay as much as you can. If you can't pay it all the way down, still pay a good chunk of it so we can see what we can do with the next one, okay? But try and pay it all.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna give her until, and we run into Christmas, so I'll give you until January 23rd, that way, because I don't know, do you have children, Ms. Wayne?
I do.
Okay, I'll give you until January 23rd, 2023, a little extra time, because we'll run into Christmas otherwise, okay?
Okay.
All right, I hope you feel better, okay? Thank you for coming on today.
Thank you.
And feel better, okay?
Okay.
All right, this matter is adjourned until January 23rd, 2023. And all she's gonna do is just make payments towards that balance and continue whatever she was doing.
Yes, you want to, Your Honor, do you want her to continue testing
She doesn't need to test anymore.
Okay,
So
no
the only
problem.
thing you're gonna continue the service
Work
that
on
you're
it.
in, so that we just make sure you stay on track and pay down on it. No more testing, okay?
Okay,
All right, Ms.
Thank you
Williams.
so
Good
much,
luck to you.
Your Honor.
Get some rest, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. We'll see you in January 23rd, 2023, okay?
Okay,
All right, have a good day.
you too.
Feel better, Ms. Weems.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor, so
You're
much.
Oh, no problem. Of course. You have a good day.
You
Thank you
too.
all for
Thank
the
you.
call.
See you later, Mr. Brown.
All right, you're set. That's it.